Maine is changing its rules for out-of-state visitors just days before the 4th of July holiday weekend. NECN's Dustin Wladkowski has more on the new rules.
People from Connecticut, New York, New Jersey can now all come to Maine without a 2-week quarantine or proof of a negative COVID-19 test. Governor Janet Mills announcing the change Wednesday afternoon, adding those states to a list that already includes New Hampshire and Vermont, a list that Massachusetts and Rhode Island won't be on.
Based on where things stand right now, the positivity rate in Massachusetts is still a good bit higher than that in Maine.
Dr. Nirav Shah, Maine CDC director, says data he's looking at does not support opening up to Massachusetts or Rhode Island fully just yet. Asked if he'd be concerned travelers would stop in those states on the way here, he said this.
It's a possibility, but I don't know that it poses a large risk from a public health standpoint.
For the New Englanders and others who still have to quarantine or get tested, a new spot to do that is being highlighted by the Mills administration. This former pharmacy on Forest Ave in Portland is now a drive-through test site. Officials say is free. Portlander Steve Morris used it recently.
Family was out of state about 8 or 10 days ago, and so I figured, what the heck, might as well just try it. It was a very easy and professional experience.
And Morris says there was no charge after he showed his ID and insurance card. Within a couple days, he got a negative result, something he called reassuring and worth getting whether you live in Maine or want to visit.
I'm sure that a 2-day quarantine would be far more preferable than 14 days if I were coming into town. You never know, you could get it tomorrow.
In Portland, Dustin Wladkowski, News Center, Maine.